Hi, welcome to Preset Store. In this video, I will show you how to edit the food porn filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here is some example of the photo using the filter. Let's get started. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.2. Contrast to +20. Highlight to -45. Shadow to +30. White to +20. Black to +30. Next, go to Curve. Copy the example as shown. Now, go to Color. Vibrance to +35. Saturation to +10. Then, go to Color Mix. Red. Hue to -10. Saturation to +25. Luminance to +5. Orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +5. Yellow. Hue to -10. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +5. Green. Saturation to +5. Luminance to -15. Aqua. Saturation to -70. Blue. Saturation to -70. Next, go to Effect. Texture to +25. Clarity to +20. Dehaze to +35. Copy preset setting and apply to others. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe this channel for more video in the future.